What's interesting is when people are in EVs, they love them, and the research shows once people go to an EV, they don't want to come back. But they're very expensive, and and even with the tax credit in place, it's still expensive. So, I think affordability becomes a big issue, and it's no secret we are working very hard on EV affordability because I think that will be the catalyst for much wider adoption.
Bill, hi.
Oh, hi, Joanne. Great to see you.
Great to see you too. Can you talk a little bit about the challenge with China? How do you compete when government is supporting their efforts?
Well, it's tough, but we have to, Joanne. And so we've had an effort going to do just that. I'm really not ready to say a lot more, but we will soon in terms of what that will look like in the marketplace. As I said a minute ago, affordability is really important. I think that really becomes the salient point is affordability. It's not matching the technology. It's not matching, how the vehicle's put together. It's really not even matching the battery itself. But it really is the affordability to the customer that becomes sort of the crucible whether this is going to succeed or not. We're working really hard on that, and I'm very pleased, with how we're doing. And more to say later.